Bishop Kuka's revelation about Biafran agitators might cause more trouble in Nigeria. The Bishop of Sokoto is Bishop Kuka Matthew of the Catholic Diocese. During the weekend, he spoke with newsmen about Biafran agitators and the reason behind their consistent pursuit of the Nigerian division. The bishop said corruption caused chaos in Nigeria. This is not only led to IPOB, MASOP, Odua people forming, but it also allowed Boko People group such as Boko People and militant group to be formed. The disclosure about Biafran agitators could trigger more trouble in Nigeria by Bishop Kuka. I believe that Bishop Kuka's disclosure may lead to further trouble in Nigeria, as the government of Nigeria could decide to do so by demanding that they prove that they really have authorized this group to be formed. If he fails to support his argument, there could be problems between the government and the Catholic Church, and if so, it will affect the entire country. Secondly, because what he has said will give the Biafran agitators more legitimacy and justification. The reason I have said that its publication could cause trouble in Nigeria, it will give them more incentive to demand the division of the land, which will give them more trouble. Whenever such group as IPOB or MASOP begins to protest, the death of some Nigerian young people is always required, and this would increase the country's problem. The bishop is a very important figure in the society, and most people are speaking to avoid trouble in the country because the bishop had the impression that he supported this group. The reply is not Biafra. In unity and peace, we need to unite to vote for bad leaders in the country, which will enable us to create a strong nation. Thank you for listening to this news. There is nothing is going to cause. It's not going to cause any problem or any trouble. See, what Bishop Matthew Kuka have said is just the truth. It's Nigerians who don't like the truth. We don't like the truth. If someone is telling us the truth, we'll just be turning down the truth. Because the bishop is now speaking in support of Biafran, they are now saying that his opinion is going to cause more problem in Nigeria. Had they mean his opinion is against the Biafrans, this answer will not be, nobody will say that, nobody will come up with this answer. You see that? But when the truth is being told, that is when you see someone coming up to say, it's not like that though, it's not like that though, this and that. They'll start telling fake stories. See, it takes someone with the fear of God and respect to speak the truth. Biafran Republic is a God-ordained plan. It's God-ordained plan. God has ordained it that there is going to be a republic called Biafra. And that is why, if you look at it very well, almost all the men of God in Nigeria are in support of the actualization of Biafra. The ones that are not in support are the ones that are not called by God. I'm telling you, check it very well. Check the people that are in support. Bishop TB Joshua is in support. Am I right? Apostle Suleiman is in support. Am I right? Oyakilome is in support. These are the Pentecostal pastors. Oyelebo is in support. Now let us now come down to the Roman Catholic and the Anglican pastors. Almost all of them are in support. So why are we deceiving ourselves? Why are we telling ourselves lies? It's not supposed to tell ourselves the truth and support the truth. We keep deceiving ourselves. Eh? So God speaking through this man of God, God is not a liar. Akwaye? Is that not what we're trying to say? So we're trying to say that God is not a liar. I love many people that are painting God a liar. Because if you are among those calling God a liar, be ready to go down. Be ready to suffer, because you will suffer it. Look at those that were deceiving and cheating themselves during the pandemic. See what is happening to them now that the pandemic has been called off. Some of them are just dying like chickens. Some of them are just passing out like chickens after embezzling so much using the name of the pandemic. They thought that God is asleep. They never knew that He is the omnipotent. He is not asleep. He is watching. They haven't seen anything. They haven't seen anything. They thought that God is asleep. They never knew that He is very much awake. Very much awake. They will see. They will see. They will see. Bishop Kukah have said it all. Biafran has come to stay. No man born of a woman is going to stop it. Not even the President Muhammadu Buhari. He himself knows the truth. He just doesn't want it to be actualized in his reign. That is why he's proving stubborn. But no matter how he tries to be stubborn, he can never be stubborn where my God is. Because the decision of my God is supreme. Is supreme. It's supreme. I tell you, my viewers. So please, what is your take? Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.